This is the craziest thing. My mom was supposed to go back to Florida today, but obviously they canceled the flight or something. She's not going. These are huge snowflakes, and it is gorgeous. And there's no school. And I have my mom here, so she gets to stay an extra day with me and Mike and her 3 grandchildren. And thank you, Mike, for scraping my car off this morning, but it started snowing again, so that was for nothing. It is really snowing. Can't get over it. I don't know why I can't get over it. It's just huge flakes. It's actually snowing more today in March than probably all the other snowstorms we had. These are huge flakes. I don't even know if you can appreciate how chunky and huge these flakes are. But it is really snowing here.